Today I will show you a free way to normalize MP3 volume using MP3Gain. Type in the URL shown or search for MP3Gain and click on the link. Click on Downloads. I found on one Windows 10 PC that the top choice didn't include some needed files, so I clicked on the third choice to get the full installation. When downloaded, press Save File. Open File Explorer. Then open Downloads. Open MP3Gain. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Enlarge MP3Gain screen. You can change menu settings under File, Analysis, Modify Gain and Options. The help topics are a bit basic, so I suggest you look at MP3Gain tutorials on YouTube and also try different settings yourself. I am still learning all the features and options available in MP3Gain. If you only want to normalize a few MP3s, click Add Files. Then open directory containing your MP3s. Just click on the music files you want, then press Open, or in my case, Cancel. If you have lots of MP3s to normalize, click on Add Folder, then select your MP3 folder and press OK. I left the volume at 89, chose Track Analysis, then pressed the icon. Each Y indicates clipping. Five of the 13 tracks indicated clipping. I then applied Track Gain. Then press the icon. Clipping now removed and volumes close to 89 default. I hope you learnt something from this HX7V video tutorial and enjoy using MP3Gain yourself. YouTube links to my other sound-related videos are in the description below this online video.